Toadie was a young whippersnap when I first got him, but now he's a man on the mission. Like, he does his own deal. He don't care where he's at. He's like, I'm out of here. Hey? Tips. Toadie's a big pain in the butt, eh? He is, but get back here, buddy. Toadie's like Evel Knievel, like he's crazy. He's like, I don't care how many crickets you give me, I'm out of here for a better life. Toadie, seriously, like, why can't we be loving? Let's be loving. Like, this little bastard costs me like $3 a week. I give him like 30 crickets a week and eats every last one and says, now I'm out of here. I don't know how he's gonna fare on his own, but it's winter now. In the spring, I'm gonna let him go. In the spring, he'll be big enough to eat dogs and cats, so I don't know.